Hi, how are you? You may have noticed that movement is an integral part of Sophrology, and I just wanted to share for those maybe who are new to the practice when in Sophrology we tend to use movement. So Sophology's got 12 level of practice, and basically you journey through these different level at the pace that suits you, and you don't really need to do those 12 step in the practice in order to gain something from Sophrology. As you have seen, what I'm presenting over these 2 weeks are little taster of different parts of the Sophrology method. Usually we start with an introduction practice, which is around the body scan, which is around using the breath and learning to concentrate and to relax the body. And then often we go to level 1, and level 1 of Sophrology is about it's about using movement to create more awareness in the body. And we've explained already why being able to tune into the body is such an important resource to have in daily life. So I just want to explain what are the exercise of level 1 that allows to go deeper in this awareness of the body in the method coming from the source from Alfonso Caicedo, who I studied with. So these exercises are usually performed standing for the purpose of the empowerment theory. Some of them are done sitting. They are done standing. The exercise for the head and face are the head rotation, the head flexion. For the second region of the body, the system 2 of the body, it's the pump. Yeah, you have the pump exercise. We might have done it already in the process, or you are going to discover. We have exercise for the system 3 of the body, which is the chest and the upper back, and that is the rotation exercise that we have already performed at the beginning. We have a breathing exercise for the system 4, which resemble a lot the fire breath from yoga, where you literally put one hand on your abdomen, one hand on your lower back, and you only use the nose to breathe. And once you do that, you just connect with the abdomen and feel the movement standing. And then we have for the system 5, which is the lower part of the body, the pelvis, the legs, the feet. We use an exercise where we stand on the same spot and we pretend we're walking, or we use a simple body rotation. And then we have an exercise that links every part of the body. So this is called the half body exercise, where standing we shift the weight on the right side of the body, we inhale and we tense the whole right side and become really attentive to only the right side of the body. Then we do the same on the other side and the same on both sides to really connect and become aware of the verticality and the alignment of the body. So if you practice those sort of exercise over time, the benefits are huge. Because they're using breathing, they tend to calm the nervous system and allow you to become better at conscious breathing. They are using movement, so therefore they're releasing muscles in the body. They're making you more aware of your body and able to ground yourself with confidence in your body. They are a great tool for concentration as well, because this requires concentration to be the observer of movement and to follow the movement, so that trains focus and concentration. And ultimately they help you to be in the present moment, because level 1 is all about learning through the awareness of the body to be present here and now. So when, for example, you notice you've gone too much in the future or too much in the past, or you're worried or you're anxious, you go back to the exercise of level 1, you connect with your body, and instantly you can be more present. And this is a very important aspect before working with the future. So throughout this series, I hope I can give you a glimpse of different aspects of Sophrology, and that at some point maybe you want to dive deeper through the awareness of the body through one of our course. Okay, bye.